Classic journey. Anyone, I think it's time for our first contest. Your first challenge is to climb to the top of the pole. The last contestant to climb up will be eliminated. Who are you people? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. Your enemies now. Is this your goal? Yes, it's just moved up in the meantime. Do I leave the meantime? Got to the top first, so she was. I didn't see it. What am I supposed to do? I've got tired because of David gets second class. Why is mine so hard? I don't know what's the problem. What is the problem? The challenge started. Why can't you then? Otherwise it's going to get worse. Goodbye. If you take me to the top, I'll be on screen for this again. You'll do whatever I want. So whatever you need. Yes. Okay. Fast pass. Oh, shit. I'm so kidding, right? Speaker, I already climbed that pole. Right, that makes sense. Tradition, what? But this is my pole. I never should be to use your pole. Any pole will do. Did you hear my heart direct to the point of this one? Let's go. No, it's a waste of time. I can do this one. I can do this one. Each policy only two shapes match for many health suits, so we had to do the challenge. What do you say? Who's the left? You just don't know, will you? And which editor? I just I'm surprised I survived in the first round. You all get a slice of cake. Okay, contestants, I hope you took care of your balls as that is where you'll be sleeping for the rest of me. Never mind. For your favorite contestant, these votes will be important later.